Imagine as yourself embarking on a journey that takes you beneath the surface of the English Channel, through the marvel of engineering known as the Eurotunnel. Have you ever dreamed of crossing from France to England? Not by air or sea, but through an underwater tunnel? As the train enters the tunnel, you're enveloped by a sense of awe and excitement. This 50-kilometer, 31-mile stretch of tunnel is one of the longest underwater tunnels in the world, a testament to human ingenuity and determination. As you traverse this incredible feat of engineering, the world above feels a distant memory, replaced by the rhythmic hum of the train and the anticipation of reaching the other side. Join us as we explore the history, challenges, and wonders of the Eurotunnel and experience firsthand what it's like to journey through this extraordinary connection between two great nations. Can you imagine the excitement and hope surrounding this project? However, financial difficulties and concerns about its feasibility halted the effort. It must have been heartbreaking for those early visionaries to see their dreams put on hold, and it wasn't until after World War II that interest in the tunnel revived. I vividly recall the buzz in the 1980s when the project gained serious momentum. In 1986, the Treaty of Canterbury was signed by the British and French governments. This pivotal moment paved the way for the construction of what would become known as the Eurotunnel. Construction officially began in 1988. Picture this: massive tunnel boring machines, TBMs, roaring to life, boring through the chalk marl beneath the channel from both the British and French sides. These machines were engineering marvels, designed to handle the varying geological conditions and ensure the safety of the workers. The challenges were immense: water ingress, unexpected geological surprises, and the need to maintain precise alignment between the two halves of the tunnel kept everyone on edge. But the determination and teamwork of those involved were nothing short of inspirational. I remember when the breakthrough occurred. The two sides of the tunnel met beneath the channel in 1990, a moment filled with awe and triumph. It was the culmination of years of hard work and cooperation. The final tunnel, with its 3 interconnected tubes, was a true marvel of modern engineering. Finally, in 1994, the Eurotunnel was completed and officially inaugurated on May 6 by Queen Elizabeth II and French President François Mitterrand. The tunnel not only symbolized a triumph of engineering, but also a significant step in bringing the UK and mainland Europe closer together. Since then, the Eurotunnel has become a vital link, significantly reducing travel time between London and Paris. It's more than just a transportation route. It's a testament to human ingenuity and the power of international collaboration. Thinking back, the story of the Eurotunnel's construction is a reminder of what we can achieve when we dream big, work together, and persevere through challenges. It stands as a monumental achievement that continues to inspire and connect people across borders. The model of the Eurotunnel was a meticulously crafted scale replica, designed to visualize and plan the monumental engineering project. Engineers and designers gathered detailed blueprints and geologic surveys, using high-quality materials to accurately represent the tunnel structure. The model included the channel bed, tunnel boring machines, and cross-sections of the 3 main tubes, 2 for rail traffic and 1 service tunnel. Each phase of construction, from boring and excavation to concrete lining, was carefully depicted. Lighting and tiny vehicles brought the model to life, simulating activity within the tunnel. This detailed model served as a crucial planning tool, helping engineers and stakeholders understand the tunnel's complexity and anticipate challenges. It was a tangible representation of the ambitious project, highlighting the collaborative effort and innovation required to bring the Eurotunnel to life. Reflecting on the Eurotunnel's completion, I'm struck by the immense significance of this project. It represents not just a physical link between France and England, but a monumental achievement in engineering and international collaboration. The challenges faced and overcome during its construction are a testament to human perseverance and innovation. The Eurotunnel has fundamentally changed travel and commerce in Europe, making what once seemed an impossible journey a routine part of daily life. It's a symbol of what we can achieve when we work together towards a common goal. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of the Channel Tunnel's history and importance. I hope you enjoyed the journey as much as I did. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating stories from around the world. Until next time, stay curious and see you in the next video.